Formatting a list with bullets or numbering is a great way to organize the ideas in a document. In this lesson, you learn to apply bullets or numbering to lists, renumber a list, and change bullet or numbering styles. Our flyer has two different lists which are currently difficult to read, but when we're finished, they'll look like this. We created this numbered list, which is perfect for a sequential list of items or for prioritizing items. And we created this bulleted list. A bullet is a character, often a small circle, that appears before the items in a list to add emphasis. In this case, we used these check marks as bullets. Let's get started. In step 1, I'll scroll down to page 2, so the Everest Base Camp Trek heading is at the top of the screen. Then in step 2, I'll select this list of 3-day add-ons. Then on the ribbon, I'll click the Home tab. And in the paragraph group, I'll click the Numbering list arrow. This numbering library opens, allowing you to choose or change the numbering style applied to a list. And you can point to the different styles to see a preview of each one. In step 3, I'll click this numbering style. And the paragraphs are now formatted as a numbered list. We need to add another item to this list, so in step 4, I'll place the insertion point after the second item, and I'll press the Enter key. Pressing Enter creates a new numbered paragraph and automatically renumbers the rest of the list. Now I'll type a new item. We want to apply bold formatting to just the numbers in the list, so in step 5, I'll click the number 1, and as you can see, this selects all the numbers. Then in step 6, I'll go up to the font group, and I'll click the bold button. The numbers are now formatted in bold, and you'll notice that this doesn't change the formatting of the items in the list. In step 7, I'll scroll down some more, and then I'll select this list of items. We want this to appear as a bulleted list, so I'll go up to the paragraph group, and I'll click the Bullets button. The 4 paragraphs are now formatted as a bulleted list, but we want to change the bullet style. So in step 8, I'll click one of the bullets to select all of them. Then in the paragraph group, I'll click the Bullets list arrow, and then I'll click the checkmark bullet style. The bullet character changes, and we now have 2 formatted lists in our document, making it much easier to read. Finally, I'll save our work. To try these steps yourself, and for some additional tips, and to learn about creating multi-level lists in a document, turn to page Word 62 in your book.